Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Here it is the new finished 100 liters model kneader mixer for Turkey client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material, fiber and resin. All the mixer, including the motors and electricity cable, as well as the cabinet, we make it explosion-proof type as a requirement. For the motor part, we use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth face reducer. And for the material contact part, as the cylinder, we use stainless steel. And the double sigma blades, we use phosphor bronze. This is the top lid part. We can see that the whole part is stainless steel. We equipped two windows, one with light, also explosion-proof type, and a manhole, easy for check and material feeding. For the material discharging part, we adopt the lead screw pairs driven by the Siemens brand explosion-proof type motor for the cylinder tilting and the back. And for the top lid open way, we use a pneumatic support rod on the back side. This is the back view. This is a explosion-proof type cabinet. Now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for it. First, we focus on the panels. This is a meter, wattage meter, inverter panel. This is the temperature display for the inside material, power indicator. And for the buttons part, emergency stop button, double sigma blades forward, reverse stop, speed up, speed down. This is for the cylinder tilting, cylinder back, the light on the top lid. Okay, now I would like to start it. We can control the speed here. After set, the shaft speed would be displayed on the inverter panel. This is the shaft speed now. Okay, we open the light, check inside the situation. We can check via this window that we can see the sigma blades are rotating the forward direction. To see it clearly, also we can check via the small manhole. Okay, this is the inside the situation. Then we test the max speed, okay? Speed up. This is the max speed, 29. Now sigma blades are rotating in the max speed forward direction. Problem. Now stop it. Now it stopped. Then we test the reverse direction. Okay. Working stable. This is a Sigma blade reverse direction. And then I would like to introduce our safety protection system. Once the top lid open, mixer will stop. This is regarding the sensors on the back top lid support leg sensor. Once the top lid open, mixer will stop. Now I would like to make a display. As you can see, once the top lid opened without any operation on the cabinet, the mixer stopped. This is the inside the situation. Sigma blades covered by the phosphor bronze. Also make a mirror polish. And in this way, I would like to display the material discharge with cylinder tilting. I keep my finger on the button while the lid screw pair, the cylinder is tilting. Once reached the position as a position limiter switch, also explosion-proof type, it stopped. In this way, material will be pushed out of the cylinder. However, even in this situation with safety protection system function, also we can drive the blades. I just keep my finger on the buttons continuously, just the reverse direction. For example, keep my finger on the button reverse direction. I keep my finger on the button on the work. Once I remove, it's not work. This is for the convenience of material discharge, maintenance and cleaning of the cylinder. So this is a simple introduction and test for the basic function of the new finished 100 liters model Kneader mixer for Turkey client used in fiber and resin industry, high viscous material, explosion-proof type as a whole mixer. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery technology company in China. Thanks for watching.